Investment charges you can't ignore, spot them to save more. Mutual funds have fees like the total expense ratio, TER, which covers management and operational costs. While necessary, higher TERs can reduce your long-term returns, so compare fees before investing. Exit loads apply if you withdraw early, discouraging premature redemptions. Always check a fund's exit load policy to avoid unnecessary charges, ensuring your investment aligns with your timeline. Additional charges like transaction fees, advisory fees, and brokerage can also impact returns. Understanding the full fee structure helps you make informed investment decisions and manage costs effectively. Thank you.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.